and this looks so much strange from here, because as you can see there are many bushes has grown here, and also some of them are growing inside the house. And we are stepping towards this house, but see, there is no gate. It has already fallen here, and here you can see lots of debris has been scattered here. Some of them fall from this ceiling, and I think this is the kitchen area. Here they used to cook food at that time, because here you can see uh, this is a particular place where they used to wash their plates